to the video. This one has been a long-awaited one over the probably past couple years, and numerous people asking me to do a walk around. I decided to finally do a walk around of the coupe and list all of the stuff I've done to it. So this will probably go up today, so it is February 7th. So everything up until now I'll list in my car, and I also put the list of everything in the description in case me talking about it I forget something. Now originally I wanted to do this at the park, as you can see from some of those opener clips I did, but it got really too windy and you really couldn't hear shit, so just came back in the garage. There she is sitting over there, Cougar right behind me. So I'll just list them off here, and then I'll overlay some clips that I took at the park. I took quite a bit. So first we will start off with just all the performance stuff. Now the car is tuned on uprev by limp mode tuning. It has a limp mode tuning 4-inch intake, NWP 75mm throttle body, kinetix velocity intake plenum, intake manifold. It has RPM long tube headers, Motordyne XYZ pipe with resonator, custom ISR single exhaust, and I say custom because it's all V-banded, has a second resonator put in and extended out. It has R35 GTR injectors. It is tuned on E85, so that's what I am running right now is E85. Still stock fuel pump. One-piece aluminum drive shaft, highly recommend, by the way, and then a grounding kit, and I believe that is it for the performance stuff. I guess I could add a 3.69 differential with poly/solid differential bushings. I guess that's added in performance maybe. So that's pretty much it with the performance-wise. Suspension, all pretty much stock except for the Tein bases coilovers. It's lowered about 1.5 inches in the front and then about 1 inch in the rear. I still want to lower the rear a tad bit more, get it more even, because I think one side is maybe 1/4 inch lower. I do have aftermarket arms for the rear and aftermarket lower control arms for the front. I haven't installed yet, but those will be, later videos. Also I do have a Pcv Delete as well. It's just drilled out Pcv valve with the filter slap right on. Exterior wise, painted OEM rays, aftermarket front grille, the GK Tech side mirrors, eBay roof spoiler, the tommykaira rear emblem. Also in the engine bay, tons of tommykaira parts, oil dipstick cover, rad cap cover, oil cap. And then obviously the DIY camo wrap. And then I do have charge speed side splitters I have yet to install. I have to get those painted or wrapped. And then the tire letters, tire stickers, wrapped black roof. Obviously the side mirrors are black as well. Painted black rear kind of diffuser thing with a bumper tuck. And that's about it. And then obviously just the OEM headlights that I redid, and that's pretty much it. Interior is still pretty much stock. I have a JDM double din kit that I have yet to install, the tommykaira neck pads, and that's really it for interior wise. That's pretty much it, guys. That's all the mods really on my car that I can think of right now. That's really it. It's not a whole lot, honestly. Well, a lot performance-wise, not anything else though. It's still pretty basic, outside look-wise. Then yeah, just tuned by limp mode tuning. I don't know how much power it makes. I still have to get the tuning finished. I'm having problems with my uprev, so I still need to get that finished and then get it on the dyno. But other than that, guys, that's really it for the car. That's all the mods. I will list everything in the description in case I forgot anything. So check that if you want the full-on list again, and I'll section it off: performance, exterior, interior, whatever. And yeah, still have lots of parts to install, guys. I literally have so many parts I still have to do. I've just been lazy about it, so this definitely will change, and I'll probably be making another one of these pretty soon, because like I said, there's a lot of parts and a couple big things coming in the future too. A couple big things. So hope you guys liked that video. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Didn't even get to cross.